Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volvo XC70. This four-door wagon has a six-cylinder, 3.2-liter i6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volvo has less than 77,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.